In the fast-paced world of being a barista,
It is essential to understand how to use the future continuous tense to communicate effectively during shifts. This tense is used to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. In this tutorial, we will explore how baristas can use the future continuous tense for various tasks they will be performing during their shifts. Let's start with making coffee. Baristas can say, "I will be brewing a fresh pot of coffee when you come in." This indicates that the action of brewing the coffee will be in progress when the customer arrives. Another example could be, "I will be grinding espresso beans for your latte." This shows that the barista will be in the process of grinding the beans at a specific time in the future, which is when the customer's latte is being made. When it comes to taking orders, baristas can use the future continuous tense to convey their actions. They can say, "I will be taking your order in just a moment." This lets the customer know that the barista will be ready to take their order very soon. Another example could be, "I will be preparing your drink while you wait." This indicates that the barista will be in the process of making the drink when the customer is waiting. Furthermore, when it comes to cleaning duties, baristas can use the future continuous tense to discuss their tasks. They can say, "I will be wiping down the countertops after the rush." This lets their co-workers know that the barista will be cleaning the countertops once the busy period is over. Another example could be, "I will be sweeping the floor before we close." This shows that the barista will be sweeping the floor at a specific time in the future, which is before the shop closes. In conclusion, the future continuous tense is a useful tool for baristas to communicate effectively during their shifts. By using this tense, baristas can convey when certain tasks will be happening in the future, allowing for clear and efficient communication in a fast-paced environment. Practice using the future continuous tense in various scenarios to improve your communication skills as a barista.